So as you can see, we have not cleaned the bike. It is dirty. But we're gonna do the air filter first, and then we will see if I do more today. Because we're gonna do this in steps. It doesn't have to all happen in one go. And it's kind of muggy out. Not feeling it. So let's get to it. First step, get the tail off so we can get to it. Alright, let's put the camera down because I got to get to all that. That, by the way, is what the underside looks like with all of my straps for the Nelson rig bag. As you can see, 2 hex heads, Allen bits to get that out, and then we lift the seat out and we get to the air filter. So like a lot of stuff on this bike, it is a 5mm hex. There we go. Okay. Yeah. It's very awkward doing this one-handed, guys. Need to locate a attractive camera volunteer who can help co-host. Okay. Got a little, I don't know, is that a charge port? I'm not sure what that is. It's just an end. Anybody know what that is? It's taped in place. And I was correct. You need Phillips head to get into the airbox. And I always bring a Phillips screwdriver. You know, when you don't have one, you need one. But first, we're going to wipe off the airbox so that we don't get dust and dirt into that. Certainly from the amount of crud that's in there, I am assuming that filter is toasty, which is why we have a new one. Now, normally, if I was doing this the smart way, I would have ordered replacement screws and possibly even a replacement plastic. Get under there. There we go. I don't want to take them all the way out while I'm holding the camera. I will put you guys down and finish these off so I don't drop them. If I can get that in there. Okay, you get the idea. I will talk to you in a minute. So you can see how this comes out of here. It's going to be interesting. There we go. That is tricky to get out. Yeah, that is one roached air filter. And once again, I'm going to clean out in here before I take it out. But that's not good. Okay, some more Phillips here and here. I'm assuming the bottom just lifts out. Not positive, but it looks like it. It looks like it's just a clip based on what's in my new one. So just pretend you're watching me do these screws. As you can see on the new one, there's a foam gasket sealing it. It is on the old one as well. Hopefully this is the right unit. Stay. Yeah, it just pops out of there. I mean, looking pretty rough, huh? Yeah, there we go. Wedged in, and then we'll put the screws back in. And I guess there's another particle filter. I don't know what that's for. That's pretty big. Would think you'd put that on the outside. So that is in. We have compressed the foam a little bit. Screws are snug. Yeah. And there's a drain hole at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see that. For grit and dust and stuff to fall out that doesn't go into the filter. Any water and things like that. Drain hole. And now we got to get that cover back on. That guy. Yeah, you guys can watch me. You can watch me struggle with it. That went in much better than it went out. I kind of knew that it had to clip past the frame here, but it did make it. So get these in, but not tight. It's always key on a bike, guys, or anything really. When you're getting screws in where there's multiple screws and things have to fit together, don't tighten anything down until you get them all in. And it may have had a cool snap the last few days, but it is almost 80 degrees and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and the sun came out after the rain passed. We didn't actually get any, but it looked like it was going to. And I am sweating my balls off. So I think we will go upstairs after I get this in and put back together. Cool off. Download the video, make sure everything looked good. Good, tight. Yeah, make sure everything looked good. And then I will come back out and do my oil change, which is the other real maintenance I wanted to do. If I do the windscreen and the handguards today, great. Otherwise, they can wait for Monday. I got Monday off too. So, see you in a little bit. We're gonna get this closed up. You guys don't need to watch me put the seat back on, do you? I didn't think so.